Hi everyone, the Crafty Wagner here, and today we are doing another Mother's Day design for a Mother's Day card, and it is Choose Your Weapon. And I absolutely love this design, and I hope you will too once you see what we actually have going on. So we have gone into our Cricut design space. We have a new canvas, and we're going to upload our SVG. So I'm going to pick my SVG and hit the save button. Going to click on to my brand new image and hit insert images. Now, as always, our SVGs come in a big group and giantly sized. So we're going to bring it down a bit so that we can see. Does it need to be 8? We are actually going to do 6.5 because this is going on to a 5x7 card. So, which we will actually have to make shorter because it needs to be under 5 inches. So, this is what it's going to look like. I absolutely adore this design, and if you're familiar with my tutorials, I'm just going to show you again what happens if we just try and hit the make it button. So it's put all of our lovely pieces just all in random spots all over the place. So we are going to go hit the cancel button, go back in and hit our big group and say ungroup. So we have our pieces here, and these are in regular groups. So we're going to keep them grouped this way so that we can move them around. So this is going to be our border, and we can hit the attach button. So that one is nice and attached. These are our words. So what I'm going to do here is, well, depending on what we're going to do, the same lettering for both, and we're going to make these a different color. So we're going to hit attach for our beverage glasses. We're going to make them a different color, and we'll make the words a different color just for the sake of the boards. So from here, to make our card, we're going to add in a shape, which is a square, and we're going to unlock the proportions, and we're going to make this 5 wide. No, we're going to make this 7 wide, sorry, and 10 high. And we can pick just white for this one, and then we're going to add another shape, our score line. Now our score line is vertical right now. We can rotate it 90 degrees and make it 7 inches. And then we're going to hit shift and have the score line and the box highlighted, and we can align is what I'm looking for, center horizontally and center vertically. What we're going to do then is hit the attach button so that when this does cut out, the score line will score properly on the inside of our card. So if I arrange this and send this to the back right now, and just for fun, we'll see what this will look like on the card. We can leave that there. I mean, obviously, you're going to have, I mean, this is very, very rough. But just to give an idea of what it'll look like, this will obviously be the other way around. because that's not the way that cards normally fold down, so it'll actually, all of this will actually be on this side of the card once we put it all together. So in saying that, I'm going to make, oh no, I'll do that a different colour. So we're going to do a few different colours here. What I am going to do is detach that for now. And ungroup. What I'm going to do is just group that, attach, group that, attach, so that they stay together. And what that'll do is it'll move our space in so that when we do go onto our mat, we're not wasting any vinyl or cardstock. So let's have a look at the Make It button and see if we've pulled all of our stuff together properly. So there is our card, our beverage drinks, and then our 2 sets of words, and that'll take 1.5 inches. If that's just giving it some extra space, and then there's our border. So it's all looking fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and choose some vinyl and some cardstock, and once all this is cut out, I will show you what I have.